Hi guys, welcome back again to my kitchen and to my channel. Another month of July, guys, juices and tea for you. I'm going to make you up a tea, guys, and this tea is going to settle your stomach. It's going to give you a boost of energy in the morning before you start going. So let's get into this recipe right now.
Bacon. Here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Now let's talk about our ingredients that you are going to need. Now, you're going to need ginger. If you don't have fresh ginger, use the powdered ginger. This is the powdered ginger. You could use that if you don't have fresh ginger. You're going to need 1 lemon. You're going to need your cucumber. You're also going to need peppermint. This is your peppermint tea bag. And honey to taste. Let's get right into it. Now, in my cup, I have my peppermint tea bag. You just want to go ahead and add your water on top of that. Then you're going to add your ginger. And then you're going to add 1 slice of cucumber inside of it. Then add your lemon. And then you're going to add your honey to taste. Okay guys, you want to let this sit for about 5 minutes to soak up the cucumber and to soak up the ginger. Alright, let it sit for 5 minutes before you start drinking this. Okay guys, another great one. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Fast, easy and simple. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.